Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing and overview of Lenovo all-in-one 19.5-inch display desktop. I don't have intention to make a video of this, but still I just bought this for my friend, so I just wanted to take a quick overview and unboxing of this box. This box really looking big, so I am just putting it out. It's really hard to take the video. I'll just cut out this and this. There are some protections inside. Here is the actual Lenovo box. Oh, it's really huge. It's the final box. So I will open up this. Let's see what are all inside the box. So first, I don't know what it is. Okay, this is the power cord, and this also contains the mouse, Lenovo wired mouse. So I will keep this aside for now. And here I think it's a keyboard. Yes, it is. Again, it's a Lenovo wired keyboard. This keyboard seems to be softer. Now we can open up the main board. This is what inside the box. This is the stand. Yeah, this is idea center, something is there. Okay, there's some screw here. Yes, here it is a monitor. It's a 19.5-inch monitor. This contains everything like RAM, hard disk, and USB ports, everything. I will just show you the overview here. It's a little bit heavy. So here RJ45 port and LAN cable, HDMI, and 3 USB ports. And it is an Intel processor, Intel J4005 processor. It's an entry level processor, but still it is okay for basic usage. And they have mentioned it has Dolby audio. Okay, that is all about the overview. I'll just keep this here. Here is the monitor. I hadn't connected the power to this. It is DOS OS. We need to install the OS and all, so I haven't done all this. So I will do all this and I will try to boot up, and I will try to show you these details in the another video. Thank you guys.